Okay, so for good morning. For today, I will demonstrate the what we call the turtle. I'm going to make the turtle today. No? So in making the turtle, we need to have the butt towel. So butt towel should be having two sides. One is a right side and a wrong side. So it should be right side. You have to roll from here going to the middle. To roll, make it harder until you reach to the middle. Okay. Same thing on the other side. Do it the same way. Yes. And make sure it's harder. No? Then put it together. Pull the end. Pull the end. Okay. Then afterwards, open it. Okay. Then get another part. The what you call this face towel. So for the face towel, you make the mouth of the turtle, making the diamond style. No? So use, if you're going to polish the towel, use the back part of your hand. Then roll it to the middle. Okay. Then insert it in between. Yes. Insert it in between. Then get another part which is the butt mat. Okay. Then what you're going to do, roll it to the middle as well. Okay. Do the same thing on the other side. Then make sure, make it into two, a little bit harder. Make it into two. Then open it. Then put it on the top of this one. Okay, so we have the turtle. Cut mo na, cut mo.